Hello my friends. Have you accidentally lost, deleted or formatted your hard drive or lost files? In today's video I'm going to show to one of the best data recovery software that is going to recover back all your files even if formatted or deleted files from memory cards, SD cards, from computer recycled bin, flash disk, external and internal hard drive. Even on the SSD. So if you lost your files now there need to worry about. The software that I'm talking about is Tenorshare 4ddig Data Recovery. It's the best data recovery software. Let me show to you how you can download and install the software for free on step by step. Okay. First open any web browser that is on your computer. Let me use Chrome. Here on search type 4ddig Data Recovery. Press enter to search. Here you can see there are a lot of results from Google search, but move upon the first link so that it directs you on the software website. Even you can find the software from the link in the description. Here is the official website for the Tenorshare 4ddig Data Recovery software. Here you can see recover your lost, deleted, formatted, corrupt drive files completely and easy. When I move down here you can see it's a simple powerful data recovery for any devices, which means it's the best data recovery. And you can see here it can recover computer, hard disk, memory cards, camera, flash drive and other drive. It's amazing really. Now let me show to you how you can download and install it for free on your computer. Here click on free download. Down here the software will start to download. Okay. Here make sure you have read and agreed Tenorshare license agreement. Click on install. Here the installation will start. Done. Now it's time to dive into the software. Click on start. Beautiful Tenorshare 4ddig interface. It's well designed and amazing. Easy to use. Here you can see select a location to start data recovery. As I told you that you can recover SSD and all other types. You can recover files from desktop, recycle bin or even select folder. Really it's amazing software everyone can try out. Let me show to you how it works. Here I have a flash disk. As you can see it contains some videos on it. Let me select all of them and press on delete. Here you can see, are you sure you want to permanently delete files? Just press on yes. Now this folder is empty. Even here you can see the flash drive does not have any files. Now let me use Tenorshare 4ddig to recover those files back. Here is the USB that we lost the files. Click on scan. It will ask you what type of files do you want to recover. Since I deleted the video now I can remove all these other files and leave only the video. It will start scanning. It's the best data recovery software. Here it will show to you founded files including deleted files and lost on the drive. Click on Understood. Now select the deleted files. Here you see the files that we have recently deleted from the drive. Select them and click on Recover. Now here on this page you can buy a pro version so that you can access all the features as you can see down below. Because free version has limited features. And I have coupons to those that download this software from the link in the description. It's totally 30% off. Here click on Buy to upgrade on the pro version. As you can see it's a very cheap software, well as it does wonders. $45.95 a month, $49.59 a year. Amazing! And since it's their anniversary it's on 30% off. Here they have lot of options to pay, for example PayPal, Visa, MasterCards and many others. When you pay they will give you information to register into this. Enter your information here and press on Register. You will see registered successfully. Now after select the location to recover your files. Here let me select desktop and I create a new folder. After let me click on Recover. You can see it's recovering my files. Done. Click on View Recovered. Here are my recovered deleted files. They are working well. Amazing! It's the best data recovery I have ever seen. Even I will be making videos on how you can recover from crash computer, photo repair, video repair, because those other best amazing features into this software. So as you can see, visit this website, it's in the description below to download this software. If you see this video helpful, don't forget to share and even leave a comment. So thank you for watching, we meet in the next video.